So this video is to help everybody with rhythms. So everybody should have a rhythm sheet in their folder that we went over together in our lessons. If you look at the very first rhythm, it says example, and that's the one we're going to work on in this video. It says we're in 4/4 time, which means there are 4 beats in a measure, okay? And we talked about how the quarter note gets the beat. So if you look at number 1 on the very top of the page, it says write in the counting, see the example. So as you go on and do the rest of these exercises, you would want to write in the counting as we talked about in class. If you have any questions, you come and you always ask me. The next step is to clap and count aloud, and then play each exercise on a single pitch. So right now we're going to work on clapping and saying the counting out loud. Okay, ready? From the beginning of the one that says example. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Remember that in the second measure, you have our dotted quarter note and 8th rhythm, which we talked about the dot making the note longer, right? So the dot makes the quarter note longer by half a beat. So that's why we say 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So I would like us to just right now clap that second measure, okay? Ready? 1, 2, the second measure. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Okay, good. So once you have that down, you should also be able to get the last measure, which is a bit different. Now we have a couple more 8th notes at the end. So listen once as I clap and say the rhythm. Ready? And 1, 2, and 3, and 4. See if you can do that with me. Ready? Last measure. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Good. Now, you would then go back and clap the whole thing again one more time. Let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so now that we've clapped it, which you may need to do a couple more times to get that rhythm straight, that dotted quarter rhythm, you would then get your instrument, so whatever instrument you play, you would then play on an open string. So I'm now going to play on an open D, okay? See if you can clap the rhythm while I play, or if you think you have the rhythm down, go ahead and play with me on an open string. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So as we get better with these rhythms, we're now going to try to play them on other notes. So for now, just stick to the open string, and later in class, we'll work on playing them on other notes. Happy practicing!